Welcome to Easy English Listening.
This is a nice Saturday morning. I have no plans, just coffee and silence.
Wait, my phone is ringing.
Ignore it, Alex. It is the weekend.
It is a reminder. Oh no.
What is wrong?
Tom and Mary's wedding is today at 4 p.m.
Today? That is in 7 hours.
I completely forgot.
Me too. We are not ready. No gift, no clothes, nothing.
Okay, do not panic. We have time. Let's make a plan. I will buy a gift and find a tie.
I need a dress, a hair appointment, and flowers.
We can do it. What are you wearing? My black suit, but I need a new tie.
Buy a blue one. Blue looks great on you.
Okay, and you?
I need a new dress.
You have many dresses, Sarah.
But it is a wedding. I want something red or dark green.
You look beautiful in red.
Okay, red then. I will go to the fashion center on Oak Street.
Let's meet back here at 2 p.m. Hello. I need a wedding gift quickly. The wedding is today.
Don't worry. What is your budget?
About $50.
Do they like to cook?
Yes, Tom loves cooking.
How about this Italian coffee machine? It is $45.
Perfect. They love coffee. Can you wrap it in gold paper?
Yes. Do you want a card?
Yes. Write to Tom and Mary. Best wishes forever.
Hi, do you have time for me today? It is a wedding emergency.
You are lucky. We have one spot at 10:30. What do you want?
Something elegant. My hair up with some curls. I am wearing a red dress.
Good choice. I will keep it simple so the dress looks best.
How long will it take?
About 45 minutes.
Oh, wow! I love it! I look great.
Hi, I need a tie. My wife says I should buy a blue one.
Navy blue is very classic with a black suit. This silk one is $22.
I'll take it. How do I look?
Very handsome.
Hello, I need a red dress for a wedding.
Try this one. It is knee-length and very classy.
It fits perfectly. I feel very pretty.
It is on sale today for $65.
Great! I will buy it.
I also need flowers for the couple. White roses, please.
A dozen white roses is very romantic. I will add a white ribbon.
They are beautiful. How much?
That is $20.
Thank you. Sarah, are you ready?
5 more minutes. I am doing my makeup.
We need to go. I have the coffee machine and the flowers.
Did you find your tie?
Yes, navy blue. And your dress?
It's red. You will love it.
Let's take 2 taxis. I am already near the Grand Plaza Hotel.
Okay, see you there.
Sarah, there you are. Wow. You are the most beautiful woman here.
Thank you, Alex. You look very handsome in that tie.
We are a great team. Let's take a photo first.
The room is beautiful. Look at all the candles.
Tom and Mary have been together for 8 years. They deserve this.
Do you remember our first date? You spilled coffee on yourself.
I was so nervous because I liked you.
I liked you too.
Sarah, one day I want us to have a wedding like this.
Really? I want that too, Alex.
Look, the music is starting. Here comes the bride.
She is beautiful.
Yes, but not as beautiful as you.